Hi, I'm going to show you how to put together my little money cards or lip balm cards using the little plastic things. So let me move the camera around here so you can see what I'm doing, and I thank you for watching. So when you get your card, this is what it'll look like. I put the butterfly on there to indicate where the design you purchase will be, or if you have a special request, this is where it will be. So the card will be like this. So when you get it, flip it over and tape all the way around the edges, and especially go around the edge where the little plastic thing is going to go. Then you take your plastic thing, put rolled up bills in it, or you can put a chapstick in it. Drop it in the opening. Fold the card over. And now you have your card. Okay, same thing goes for the ones for the gift card, which you can also fold up bill money to put in here too, if it makes it easier to mail because it's much flatter than the lip balm one. So you do the same thing that you did with the other card. You just flip it over, tape it all around the card, drop the plastic thing in, put in your gift card or your folded up bills, fold up the card, and now you have your gift card or money card to